Now I want to share the details that how 30 days coding challenge motivated me to embark on my project and what I learned from this challenge. Well, the diving into the 30 days coding challenge was kind of a game changer for me. It was not about sharpening my coding skills. It also about pushing myself into the thing within the time limit, within the time limited time frame. And that got me thinking, why not these coding skills to make a difference? And that's when the idea of pulse connect came into my mind. I mean, here I was spending all this time coding for this challenge, and I realized I could use those skills to help solve a problem that really matters. So, in a way, the 30 days coding challenge was the spark and which lit the fire for the Pulse Connect. It motivated me to take what I was learning and apply it to something meaningful, something that could potentially save lives of people. And the rest, as they say, is history. Pulse Connect would not be there where it is today, right now, without the motivation and the inspiration I gained from the 30 days coding challenge. It just goes to show the power of coding not just as a skill but as a force for change in the world. Now I like to discuss that what are the things I learned from this challenge. The 30 days coding challenge taught me so much more than just coding skills. Sure, I got better in problem solving and coding efficiency, but it was also a lesson of in discipline, perseverance, and creativity. And I learned that there is always more than one way to solve a problem, and sometimes most elegant solution is not the most obvious one. And it taught me to think critically, break down complex problem into manageable chunks, and the never give up attitude even when things are getting wrong. And you know what, I think everyone should give challenges like this as a shot. uh, Whether you are a session coder just starting out, that's something to be gained from pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and taking on new challenges. For one, it's a great way to learn and grow as a developer. You are constantly exposed to new concepts and techniques. You are forced to think on your feet and adapt the different things in different situations. Plus, there is a real sense of accomplishment that comes from the completing any challenge. It's like a boost of your confidence that keeps you motivated every time and helps you to do many more things and pushing you more further. At the same time, you are connecting with the people who will share their passion in coding and in technology, also in the innovation. So yeah, I would say give it a go. You never know what you might learn or who you might meet along the way, and who knows, you might just end up changing the world with your code. That is from my side. Thank you.